Today we're doing husband versus wife. I'm in charge of decorating the family room and Connor's in charge of decorating the living room. We've enlisted the help of our friends KJ and Sean, and they are going to help us redecorate these rooms and reveal them to each other.
Hi, I'm Kanzi. What I'm going to do for the room, what we're going to do for the room is make it super bright and magical. And give me 5 minutes. I'm trying to talk to the camera. Trying to make the people happy. So anyway, I think M's room is gonna look like something out of your fancy magazines with all of your sleigh, pretty princess, Christmas, LL Bean stuff. However, I should be able to win the competition with Mr. Frosty over here, and it should fit just right.
So what I'm going for is, honestly, I couldn't really think of a theme. I started off thinking I would do like a Nordic Frozen theme. Connor and I love Frozen, so I was thinking of like Oaken's shop and just how it's like very Nordic, I guess. But overall, I don't really have a theme. I kind of just got things that I like, which is normally how I do Christmas. Connor, on the other hand, I think his is going to be insane. It's probably going to be very bright and obnoxious and cheesy Christmas. We do have a sheet up right here so that they cannot get through. Oh, they're sending us something. Yeah. No, they're taking that down. I'm so scared for that room. All right, so I guess we should put up the tree first. So we'll start with that. So KJ and I are fluffing the tree up and we hear some sort of a motor going. It literally sounds like an inflatable. I'm really nervous for this.
We're gonna start off with this. Should fit. Obviously it's supposed to go outside, but everything looks better inside.
Okay, the tree is officially up. We're gonna throw some lights on it and put the tree skirt on.
Okay, now it's time for the lights. And I think I got a few.
So we got the tree up. She looks beautiful. We are currently working on this. This is what we're doing. We have to send stuff to each other through. Oh my gosh. Boys. So we're working on this TV stand. I'm gonna take all this stuff out. I actually made this little thing. I went to the library and I got books on sale for 50 cents. And then I spray painted them. I used the Cricut machine and I wrote some like Christmas books on them. Put a little sparkle, a ribbon. So I thought this would be kind of cute to just have as a decoration. It literally cost me $1.50 to make, so I'm very happy. How's it going, boys? Why? No. There we go. I got it. Yay! They're really cute. I have a bunch of these little mini trees. I think I'm just gonna like stuff in here. Oh, and I got these little nutcrackers. So cute. Thank you. Those are all like Christmas trees. The little houses. were these were in there too? Or were yeah, I think I'm gonna put those with the trees. That's so in here, cute. Maybe like a little Christmas village. I love it. I hear that inflatable thing again. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys right here. I'm gonna put the books here.
New problem. Got a drill in here to plug into an outlet. We gotta keep drilling. Okay, we're good. Stick some nails where the sun don't shine.
Now we're gonna work on the tree. I got some of this fun garland, or well, I guess this is like beaded garland. I don't know what to call it. From Amazon. I will link everything below that I bought so you guys can get it. It's very inexpensive. The next decoration I have is this really cute Mary sign from garland from Target. I thought it might look cute on the tree. Maybe we're gonna see how it looks. It's gonna have to be like, it's really hard to see the words, I think. Yeah, unless you put it down low. I don't know if I love it. Yeah, I don't think I like that.
That's with white lights in it. Now to do something up there. So go straight to you?
Fun.
No. Go to the right a little bit.
You're right.
Yeah, well, yeah, this right. Yeah, my right.
We're doing something.
Okay, when you have a free second, can you cut a couple little branches off of the tree? I'm a little stressed out because we have how much time, boys? Like an hour? Not even? We don't even have like an hour left and we are not anywhere near done. I'm gonna try to hang these from the ceiling. I'm whispering because I hear them right next door. So we're gonna try to get this done quickly. KJ is doing the coffee bar. It's not like, I need more stuff. I thought I was gonna have more time to like run out and grab more stuff if I needed, but I didn't. So I feel like it's a little bland, which is what Connor was expecting probably. He probably said I was gonna be bland, but I don't know. Oh!
This is our secret weapon. Right here.
Next we're gonna put up the village. There's another one somewhere, maybe one or two more or something like that. But we're gonna end up putting that on Hutch. The next thing I got is a projector. Not really sure where to put it yet. I was gonna put it on the village. I was gonna put it on the ceiling, like hanging down. But I think I might put it above the kitchen cabinet. It should work. Should work. And it does. Made some stockings for Wilbur and Em. Gave her the Starbucks treatment. Just put an M there.
So we realized this side is so boring. I don't have anything Christmas here. I need more stuff. I don't know what to do, so we're just like throwing random Christmas stuff in. So I asked the boys to chop up the tree a little. So I guess we'll throw that in the top one. So I got this. It actually is supposed to hang on the ceiling and it's gonna have like a cool Christmas snowflake pattern, but I want it to go up to the ceiling. They didn't have this specific one that went up to the ceiling. So I'm just gonna plug it in back here and kind of hide it and hope that this works. All right, we just finished. Yay! So the boys, we both said yay at the same time. Yay! So the boys are gonna come in and see the reveal. I'm very excited. I'm a little nervous. I'm really nervous to see theirs, but let's let the boys come in. I'm gonna maybe put the camera here. We have a pile of stuff right here though, so just ignore that because we don't have access to the rest of the house. So ignore that stuff. All right, close your eyes. Oh wait, come under, but close your eyes and just, because we can't come out because we can't see what the room looks like. Keep them closed. And our eyes closed. Where should we like place them? I guess just right here. Right here is good. Keep them closed.
It doesn't smell as Christmassy as I know.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah,
I do like the.
This we needed to decorate more Christmas, but the stuff was in the office.
It's not even a competition.
What?
Get ready. Get ready.
The lights are off over there, and it's still illuminated through the.
You mean the ceiling lights are
All the
off?
ceiling lights are off. All right, rip it down.
All rip it down.
I can't rip it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm impressed. Oh my gosh. I honestly thought his was going to be like very gaudy. I can live with this in the house. Not this. Probably not.
I thought this is awesome.
Hello. It's so big.
Where's Waldo? So I was gonna hide that, and then you gotta try to find it. That was the point of the flamingo, not.
Oh my gosh! This is a giant thing! Oh, this looks so good. Oh man! Oh my gosh! I really like those lights.
Good job.
Ooh! Oh, this is like magical. It looks like a winter dance. Like in high school that I've always wanted to go to. It really does. I love. Oh, very nice. Very tasteful.
Thank you.
Completely different.
I know.
I really like this.
Thank you.
This is
Thank
very
you.
fun.
Wow, 2 trees?
How about me?
Pile.
You seen Jamie Fitz? He's like in no contest. From 2 people, he's at 77.
I feel like that's
no
even
chance.
higher.
From the quarterback?
I don't know what to do right now. We need a flash.
We were so excited to reveal this to our friends, but we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we have some really exciting things coming up, so stay tuned for that.